The Kafkaesque nightmare of Rümeysa Öztürk, a Fulbright scholar's unjust imprisonment. The chilling tale of Rümeysa Öztürk, a Turkish PhD student and former Fulbright scholar, unfolds like a dystopian thriller. Her crime? Co-authoring an op-ed in her university newspaper about Gaza. Her punishment? Unlawful detention, denied bail, and a relentless fight for freedom against the overwhelming power of the U.S. immigration system. On March 25, 2024, Öztürk's life took a terrifying turn. Plainclothes Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, agents, operating with the chilling efficiency of a clandestine operation, snatched her near her Massachusetts home. This wasn't a dramatic arrest. It was a snatch and grab, a violation of personal liberty disguised as legal process. The abduction was followed by a nightmarish journey across 3 states, culminating in her confinement in a Louisiana detention center, all without a single charge. The sheer brutality of this action is staggering. Imagine a brilliant scholar pursuing her doctorate at the prestigious Tufts University, suddenly ripped from her life, her academic pursuits abruptly halted, her future shrouded in uncertainty. The audacity of this act is only surpassed by the callous disregard for basic human rights it represents. Öztürk's legal team immediately sprang into action, filing urgent petitions in a Vermont federal court for her release. Their pleas, however, have been met with a wall of bureaucratic indifference and judicial intransigence. An immigration judge, seemingly unmoved by the blatant injustice, denied her bail, labeling her both a flight risk and a danger to the community. This decision is especially troubling considering that the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, only argued the flight risk aspect. The judge's assertion of a community danger remains unsubstantiated and alarmingly arbitrary. The conditions of her detention further expose the cruelty of this situation. Court filings detail 6 asthma attacks since her imprisonment began. Her pleas for medical attention were met with callous disregard. One attack was dismissed as all in her mind, while medical staff, inexplicably, provided no treatment. This blatant negligence exposes a shocking lack of compassion and a disregard for her basic well-being. The irony is bitter. A scholar dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge is denied even the most basic necessities of life. Öztürk's case is not an isolated incident. It's part of a disturbing pattern, a chilling manifestation of the Trump administration's legacy of targeting individuals connected to U.S. universities for expressing pro-Palestinian views. The suppression of dissenting voices, the stifling of intellectual freedom, has become a chilling reality. Numerous individuals, academics and students alike, have faced visa revocations or denials simply for supporting Palestinian rights, or, in Öztürk's case, merely writing about the plight of Gazans. The deportation of Mahmoud Khalil, a Columbia University graduate student, serves as a chilling parallel. He, too, was deemed a national security risk, a label thrown around with careless abandon, stripped of its serious weight, and used as a tool for silencing dissent. The scale of this crackdown is staggering. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio openly boasted about canceling at least 300 student visas linked to pro-Palestinian protests. This number, he admitted, has since more than doubled. This blatant admission of a systematic suppression of pro-Palestinian voices within academic circles is a deeply disturbing indicator of a larger trend. Rümeysa Öztürk's story is more than just a legal battle. It's a fight for academic freedom, for the right to express one's views without fear of reprisal, for the very principles upon which a just society should be built. Her unjust imprisonment serves as a stark warning. The pursuit of knowledge can come at a steep price, a price paid in freedom, health, and possibly even life itself. The international community must stand in solidarity with Öztürk, demanding her immediate release and an end to the persecution of individuals who dare to express solidarity with the Palestinian people. Her case is a stark reminder that the fight for justice requires vigilance, courage, and unwavering support for those who are unjustly targeted. Silence in the face of such oppression is complicity. The world must demand her freedom. Her story must not be forgotten. Her struggle is our struggle.